Super Bowl. Ladies are getting restless back here behind us, man. These guys are ready to compete. These guys, they're pretty good sized mediums too, I can tell you that. Just a few minutes, we're going to have our little contest for this decal coat. Nice car coat. I'd like to thank some of these decal reps for our area here in the state of Ohio. That's Jeff Goodbar, Ryan McDaniel, Glenda Gale, Neil Doherty, and Janelle Brinksnader. Our thanks to all of these folks from decal. They're your local decal district reps. Mike Conley with John Deere 8410 from Beloit, Ohio. Mr. Mac Daddy. We're still trying to beat 2:19 and 2. Greg Freeze is in first place for the John Deere.